Hello and welcome to this curiosity episode. So, what's a curiosity episode? Basically, it's an episode where I will be showing you what's new and what we're up to at this moment in time, obviously. So, what is today's curiosity? Mainly, it is related to our website, which is RescoliByCarlo.com. What we're doing right now, apart from updating and upgrading our website, we decided to start a blog. Basically, this blog is of generic interest, but also for specific interest groups. For example, let me show you one little thing that I wrote recently, which is it's called starting a DIY project question and answer. You can find this blog, this article on our website, and you can see the questions which are frequently asked by you and our answers. For example, one of the questions is why do I need to do a do-it-yourself project? So basically, we give you the answers for that. What tools do I need? And then you have a small list of tools that you obviously would need when doing a DIY project. How difficult it is, from where do I start? So basically we have written everything in these couple of questions which we usually discuss during our YouTube episodes, so that you have something written, and if you wish you can also print it and have it at hand when you're not online. So some more topics about this new venture or adventure from our side. We will be having topics like aesthetics and beauty, and how these affect us. There will also be tips on how to go about restyling and reloving your pieces or creating your own from scratch. So we have a little bit of everything in here. We will also be having some social and environmental topics. Well, my background personally comes from the social field. I'm still part of the social field, but also I will be having some topics to discuss. In fact, if you have been following our Facebook page, which is obviously RescoliByCarlo, you will notice that sometimes our window display shows is decorated in a way that supports or helps or discusses social issues and social events. And this will happen also as well with the environmental topics. There will be some blogs which would be personal opinions. If you wish, you can agree. If you wish, you don't agree. They are there for consumption and for discussion. So please, let us know your views and your opinions, and let's discuss. This blog will be specifically targeted to a wide audience, and hence that's why it's written in English, because we're already having following from all over the world with this blog. So make sure that you like our blog, our website. You'll be hearing from us from time to time on our Facebook page and also on YouTube. And also, one last thing before I say goodbye for this little brief curiosity episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That will be helping us and also you, so that you would know when we have a new episode. We'll be having quite a lot and more frequently with curiosity like this one, upcycling projects, questions and answers, and also collaborations with other organizations, groups, and people involved in upcycling and reloving. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Many things are coming up and many curiosities for you to enjoy and obviously to learn from if you wish to, or just have a couple of hours of entertainment. See you next time. Ta-ta!